Hey all, it's Jolene. Welcome back to the Home Stitchery Decor YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jolene. I am from Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and I sell modern farmhouse home decor, most of which I make in my basement here, and I have all kinds of digital products and I teach on YouTube. So if you're here from before, welcome back. Enjoy. Okay, so in today's video, I wanted to talk to you about a couple of things that are going on for me personally, and then give you some tips today on profit. So it's 2024. At the beginning of every year, I pick a new word for the year. Last year's word of the year was delegate. I think I did pretty good at that, as I now have, I think there's 8, maybe 9 contract employees that do different things for me. So that is super, super, super exciting. Everything from housekeepers to a bookkeeper to an accountant. I've got online designers that do things for me. I hired somebody to sew, and I've made arrangements for somebody to help me out with my Etsy shop, which I will work on more this year because I'm trying to suck people in from Etsy and then give them a mail out to get them over to my website, just to get some more income generated for some other projects that I want to do. So I'm taking advantage of both Etsy and Shopify traffic. So my word of the year this year, dun, da, 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 drum roll please, is profit. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. So last year, I grew my business on Shopify by 45%, which is crazy, like totally mind-blowing to grow a business year over year, 45%. And that is just the sales that I have off of my physical goods, off of my Shopify store. So if I'm selling on Shopify, that means I was standing at a market, or sales that came in wholesale from some stores that I sell my products to. And it doesn't have anything at all to do with any of my other income. So I have other income from other sources that come in through affiliate marketing, through brand sponsorships, through, what else do I have? Not YouTube yet. Not new. That's going to be this year. I'm going to get monetized on YouTube. I need a bunch of subscribers and I need watch hours. So do either, right? Spend a couple minutes on my channel. That would be awesome. Leave a thumbs up. That would be great. Comment on this video, subscribe to the channel, all that kind of stuff. So this year is going to be profit, 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 profit. I want to look at what I'm doing before. I want to not create too many new products. I just want to focus on what I'm already doing and get the most amount of profit out of that, because I know my stuff sells. I know it. I've sold it. If you can sell one, you know your stuff sells. In my case, I've sold, like, just off my Shopify store last year, I think it's up over it's up over $29,000, which is fantastic, right? So I know that my stuff sells. So I'm not going to like reinvent the wheel or anything like that. I'm just going to focus on the profit. So then how am I going to do that? If I'm not creating anything new and I'm not making anything new and I don't really want to, change my whole business, how am I going to get more profit? So there are 3 ways that you can get profit. You can sell a product to a customer. And in my case right now, I'm selling physical goods to my customers or digital downloads to my customers. I should probably make a training course and sell that to you guys. So we'll maybe think about that in a little bit here. So you can make profit by selling a product to a customer. Now, the other way that you can make a profit is by selling your product to more customers, right? So acquiring more customers. So you've got the first customer, you sell them something and you're like, okay, well, here you go, there you go, it's over, right? Then you acquire more customers and you sell more products, and now you've got 2 groups of customers. But the easiest way, and the way I plan to do it this year, is I plan to sell more products to the same customers. So the acquisition cost for getting a new customer is quite high, right? So once you've introduced them to your product, you've got to do all that upfront work of, hey, this is me, this is my product, this is what I do. Do you like it? Is it good enough quality? Am I not getting any returns? All those kind of fun things. and you get to know those people on a personal level. And in my case, because I sell modern farmhouse home decor to my local city, I get a lot of repeat customers, right? So those repeat customers are easy. They're easier than the first customer because I didn't have to introduce myself again. I didn't have to explain my product again. I didn't have to tell them how to wash it again. I didn't have to nurture that customer like I did the first customer, right? So less work, less time. And that's actually fundamentally how I've grown my business, right? Because I have so many repeat customers that bring me their friends, they bring me their girlfriends, they bring me their aunt, they buy a second product, they buy my products for every season so that they can change out the decor in their house, all that kind of fun stuff, right? So they're much easier to maintain after they are already a customer. Okay, so we got that covered. You got the first customer, you got the second customer, which is the repeat customer that brings you referrals. And if you're shopping for my stuff on my site, I actually do have a referral points program as well. So if you've bought the stuff on my site, or you want, and you haven't tried it yet, you're going to get some points, right? And then when you refer a friend, you're actually going to get more points as well. And then those points can be added onto your next order. So you can go ahead and do that. Okay. So then the third and final way that you can earn more profit from your customers is to sell the first or the second customers more products. So add-on products, right? So say I have a tea towel, and I'm going to go get a tea towel right now. Hang on. All right, I'm back. And I brought a tea towel with me. Okay, so these are the tea towels that I make, these modern farmhouse tea towels. So ideally, what's going to happen is my customer is going to buy a tea towel, and then they're going to say to me, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And then on my website, I'm going to have a link to the matching table napkins. And then I'm also going to have a link in the product to the matching dishcloth, which, you know, that would be spectacular all in of its own. But then I'm also going to have a link to the matching rug. So on my site right now, you can see that there are some collections there. So I'm going to change a few things up this year where I have, it'll just be easier for customers to add on another product so that they match, right? So then I can increase my, how much I sell to one customer, right? So even when I go to do a market this year, I'm going to do my pricing a little bit different so that I'm not losing any money per se, but I am getting a sale, right? Because if each customer comes into my booth and they're spending $25, I'm going to try to up that to $50, right? So I'm going to try to double what my customer is spending in my store online or in person or at markets that I do or in the boutique stores that I sell to. So those are the three ways. So you get a customer and you sell them something, you get a repeat customer and you sell them something, or you sell more products to those two customers. Now, the other way that you can add an add-on item that actually is the best way, which is my pro tip for the end of this video, which I kind of hinted to in the thumbnail at the beginning of the video. My pro tip is to have a digital item that you can sell to these people. So when my customers are coming onto my store and ordering, I'm now going to have a digital item, and I think I'm going to do like kitchen pantry labels because I feel like they would fit in well with what I'm doing. So I'm going to start out with pantry labels like for your spice jars, and then I might branch into like laundry room PDF printable signs and stuff like that. So you could print off a laundry room sign or a farmhouse, you know, kitchen sign, something like that. So they're going to buy the rug, and at the end of the checkout, it's going to be like, hey, do you want to purchase these labels? You can download them right now, print them yourself, and off you go. And it's taken me one time to set that product up, the one time to design it, one time to load it up onto my computer, one time to put it into the, you know, the system on Shopify where you can link all your products and have something extra go out, and then the customer can purchase that. And because I've done that work one time, I should be able to increase my average order value for each customer. So that's my plan for this year. Those are my pro tips. If you're looking to start a Shopify store this year, I always tell you I am a Shopify affiliate. I will scream them from the rooftops for forever. You can sign up for a Shopify store right here. I will put a QR code right here. The link will also be in my video description. As an affiliate, I get paid if you purchase a plan and it works out for you. I swear to God, if I had started my business earlier and was smarter, I would have just skipped right through to Shopify right from the start. And now they have me as an affiliate. So that's fantastic. And the other way that I market my business is with Tailwind. I even got a sweater from them because they sent me one because they like me. And Tailwind allows you to pull a URL in from any product page and then market that. With their AI technology, they have over 50 AI tools that help small businesses. You can write your own ad with them. You can write blog posts in under 3 minutes. You can post that same product page over to Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, just in a matter of seconds out on a schedule. So that's how I'm doing it. I pair Shopify and Tailwind for my business. They're the two that I use the very most. Go and get those products and start your small business. And that's how we're going to do it this year, 2024. It's our year, right? Just claim it. Do it. It's great. Okay. See you in the next video. Bye.